Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Basic Skills 101. Today I am going to show you how you can enable dark mode in your Microsoft Edge browser. So at first you have to start the browser. Then go to the right top corner of the browser. There you can see three dot. So click in that three dot part. After clicking three dot, you can see settings at the last of the menu bar. So click in settings. After clicking settings, you can see at the left top corner, you can see appearance. So we have to click appearance. So click in appearance. After clicking appearance, you can see system default, light and dark. Click on dark. After clicking dark, you can see the whole browser is turned on dark mode. Here you can see that the dark mode is enabled. So it is it. If you like that video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting tips like this. So that's for all. Goodbye.